You gave them everything. Your love, your loyalty, your time. And they devalued you, discarded you, made you feel like you were nothing. Like you didn't matter. Like you were replaceable. But then, for some strange reason, they come back. Suddenly they're reaching out, they're trying to reconnect, as if they didn't just tear you apart. And you're left wondering, why? Why would someone come back to something they mistreated, used and threw away? The truth is, a narcissist is a returner of love. They return for control. It's not about you, it's about what they can get from you. Your attention, your energy, your reactions. You were a source of supply. And they want it back. But sometimes the Hoover doesn't work. Sometimes the victim is healed. Sometimes they've seen through the illusion, they've got no contact, they've taken their power back. And the narcissist, they come back to find silence, no reaction, no access, no control. And that drives them crazy. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 things a narcissist may do when their Hoover is unsuccessful. One, smear campaign. When the narcissist realizes their Hoover isn't working, that they no longer have access to you, one of the first things they might do is launch a smear campaign. They'll go behind your back, twisting the truth, spreading lies, telling mutual friends, family, even strangers that you were the abuser, that you were unstable, that you wronged them. They do this for 2 reasons: to protect their image and to isolate you. They can still control how others see you, even when they can no longer control you. Two, love bombing 2.0. Next, they might try what I call love bombing 2.0. They suddenly become kind again, charming, romantic, sending long texts, late night calls, or even showing up unexpectedly. They'll say they miss you, that they've changed, that they've realized their mistakes. But be careful, this isn't a real apology, it's a tactic. They're not trying to reconnect emotionally. They're trying to disarm you, to make you drop your guard, so they can slide back in and regain control. Three, silent treatment. Sometimes when the love bombing doesn't work, they go completely silent. No messages, no calls, no reactions. And this can be confusing, because suddenly after all the hoovering, they vanish. But it's not peace, it's punishment. They want you to feel abandoned, to second guess yourself, to feel like maybe you were wrong, maybe you should reach out first. This is their way of making you chase them. It's emotional manipulation wrapped in silence. 4, provoking a reaction. If silence doesn't work, they might try something more direct, provoking a reaction. They'll poke at old wounds, send cruel messages, bring up the past, or post passive-aggressive things online hoping you will see it. They may even insult you or attack your character just to get any emotional response, because to a narcissist, your anger, your sadness, your confusion, it all feeds their ego. It means they still matter to you and that's what they crave. Five, replacing you publicly. Then comes the performance. They post new photos, declare their love for someone new, share stories about how happy they suddenly are, how they finally found someone who understands them. It's not real. It's a tactic. They're not in love. They're using this person as a prop, a way to trigger jealousy in you, to make you feel replaced like you didn't matter. But deep down, they're still trying to get a reaction. They want you to see it. They want it to hurt. 6, playing the victim. If they can't manipulate you directly, they'll try to manipulate the people around you. They'll start telling people how you hurt them, how you abandoned them, how they tried everything but you just walked away. They'll cry, they'll act broken, they'll paint a picture where they're the victim and you're cold and heartless. This isn't genuine pain, it's strategy. It's designed to win sympathy, to turn others against you, and to maintain their false image. Because if they can't get your validation, they'll settle for someone else's. Seven, escalation or retaliation. And finally, if all else fails, some narcissists escalate. They might start stalking you online, sending flying monkeys, mutual friends who guilt trip or interrogate you. In some cases, they might even try to sabotage you, threaten your job, damage your relationships, or spread personal information. This is the narcissist in full meltdown, because to them, losing control is the ultimate insult. And when their ego is bruised, they want someone to pay for it. But that's exactly why you need to stay no contact, protect your peace, and don't give them the reaction they're looking for. So why does the narcissist behave this way when the Hoover fails? Because to them, this isn't about love, it's about power, control, validation. When you don't respond, when you stay silent, hold your boundary and walk away, you're stripping them of something they crave more than anything else, influence over you. They can't handle the idea that you've moved on, that they no longer control your emotions, that their tactics no longer work. So they lash out, they love bomb, they smear, they do anything they can to pull you back into the game. Because they need you to react, even if it's with anger or pain. To them, your emotional reaction is proof they still matter. But here's the truth. You don't owe them anything. Not your time, not your attention, not your forgiveness. They made their choice when they devalued you. And now, it's your turn to choose you. What should you do next? Stay grounded, stay no contact. Block, delete, and protect your peace. Don't engage, don't defend, don't explain. Because the moment you respond, they're back in, and the cycle starts again. Choose healing, choose freedom, and most importantly, don't look back. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button. It helps more survivors find this content. Drop a comment below. Let me know what tactics you've seen narcissists use when their Hoover didn't work. Your story might help someone else feel less alone. And if you need deeper support, I offer one-on-one coaching to help you rebuild, set boundaries, and stay no contact with clarity and strength. Details are in the description. You can also donate to support the channel. If this content has helped you in your healing journey, Every contribution makes a difference. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. Stay strong, stay silent, and keep choosing you.